Morning students, I am Narazu, Maths faculty in Target School at Tadpatri. So, similar triangles is the best or most important chapter in academic side. So, in that we discuss different parts. So, in part 1, what is similar triangles and what is congruency triangles along with BPT, basic proportionality theorem related problems, and also converse of basic proportionality theorem also we discussed up to exercise problems also. In that we discuss one more important topic. What is that? Criteria for similar triangles. What is criteria? Go through in 10th class standard we use just 3 criterions. First one is AAA criterion. Second one SSS criterion, SSS criterion or SAS criterion. Most these 3 criterions also used in 10th class level similar triangle chapter students. Okay. First of all, observe what is the first criterion. Number 1, AAA criterion. AAA criterion. So what is AAA criterion? Observe students along. In two triangles or simply in triangles, if the angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are equal and both triangles are similar to each other. That means simply I say that in two triangles, if angles are equal and also the corresponding sides of opposite angles are equal, then two triangles are similar to each other. I explained clearly by using diagrams. So first of all, observe, I taken two triangles, that is A, B, C, and also D, E, F. Observe students. In this geometry, symbols are very important. So here angle A equal to angle D. Next, angle B equal to angle E. Next, angle C equal to angle F. That means, observe here. So from two diagrams, by using here, angle A equal to angle D. Next one, angle B equal to angle E. Next, angle C equal to angle F. And also, if 3 angles are equal and corresponding sides are also same proportional, then both triangles are similar. That means here observe AB by DE equal to, next BC by EF equal to, next AC by DF. Here we use 3 angles. That's why by AAA criterion, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is the first criteria, students, and go for second one. So what is the second one? Second one, SSS criterion. SSS criterion. So first use the word in triangles. If the sides are equal, then corresponding angles are equal. Then both triangles are similar to each other. Once I repeat, students, in two triangles, if the sides are proportional, take a better. If the sides are proportional and the angles are equal, then both triangles are similar to each other. Same procedure I take here also two triangles ABC and also DEF. ABC and also DEF. So here I taken AB, D, BC and also EF, AC and also DFK. That means AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to next AC by DF. AC by DF. Next corresponding angles, that means angle A equal to angle D. Next one, angle B equal to angle E. And third one, angle C equal to angle A. Here, which is taken at first, that is the main reason here. Here, we use three sides. The sides of ratio is equal. Means here we are taking three sides. That's why by SSS criterion, both triangles are similar to each other. Here, at first we are taken angles. That's why by AAA criterion, both triangles are similar to each other. Here we are taken at first angles. That's why apply AAA criterion. Here we are taken sides at first. That's why it is SAS, SSS criterion, students. And go for third observe. So, what is third criterion? SAS criterion. SAS criterion. Observe students here. SAS criterion. So, two sides included angle. Two sides included angle. Two sides included angle. Observe here it is. So, this is the side and this is the side and included angle. Included angle. So, wait a minute, students. Right, students. In two triangles like ABC and also DEF, how to define SAS criterion? Means, observe, in two triangles, if the corresponding sides are proportional and included angle is equal, then both triangles are similar to each other. Yes, here I take them ABC and DEF triangles, DEF triangles. Here observe, I taken here angle A equal to angle D. So from the figure, angle A equal to angle D. Next one. So AB by DE equal to next AC by DF. AC by DF. Here from the figure, here two sides are proportional, that is AB by DE and AC by DF, and one angle is equal. Then by PY by SAS criterion. SAS criterion. Both triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, students, observe. We discussed here criteria for similar triangles. We discussed three criterion. One is AAA criterion, and second one SSS criterion, and third one SAS criterion. Okay, students. So, what is AAA? In two triangles, if the angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional, then both triangles are similar to each other. First one. Here, AAA criterion also called as AA criterion. Why? Because of in three angles, any two angles are equal, automatically third angle also equal. Third angle also equal. By using angle sum property, we can get third angle also. So, AAA criterion also used as AA criterion also. Okay, students. Next, SSS criterion. In two triangles, if the corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal, then both triangles are similar to each other. And comes the third one, SAS criterion. In two triangles, if corresponding sides are proportional and included angle is equal, then both triangles are similar to each other. Okay, students, by using these three criterions, we discuss some important problems. Yes, observe students, in Andhra Pradesh academic textbook, page number 207, try these problems. So what they given, observe, Is the triangle similar? If so, name the criterion of similarity. Write the similarity relation is symbolical form. Symbolical form. Right. So, observe the solution while approaching. In geometry, totally in diagram based solutions. Okay. Observe here. In this diagram, two triangles are included. Do you know all of you? So one is HFG and also HKI. HKI. Right. So here we know very well in lines and angles chapter of 9th class. In that we discuss different type of definitions. Okay, students. So first, in the similarity criterions, we know very well three criteria we discussed here. So one is AAS criterion, SSS criterion, SAS criterion. We know that. So which is suitable in that observe. Okay. Here, these symbols is represented. Both are parallel to each other. That means, so first observe here. In both triangles, FHG and also KHI both are equal. Why? Because of both are which type of triangle, students? Both are vertically opposite angles. So, solution given from the figure. So, in that angle H equal to angle H because of since VOA vertically opposite angles. Right. Next one. Observe here. Both are parallel to each other and FK is the transversal. Isn't it? Right. So observe both angles. Here both are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. That means angle F equal to angle K. Angle F equal to angle K. And comes to this side, FG is parallel to IK and also this line also it is a transversal. Then angle G equal to angle I. Why? Because of both are alternate interior angles. That means angle G equal to angle I. Since side alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So in both triangles, three angles are equal. Which criterion can be applied here? Yes, that is AAA criterion. So by AAA criterion, then triangle HFG is similar to triangle HKI. This is the way of approaching. Why the given if the triangle is similar, name the criterion of similarity. What are the similar relation between in symbolic form? In so many problems are there regarding 2000 these problems and practice remaining problems in your running notebook, students. Okay, students, we discussed different models of problems. How to apply the criterion of similarity triangles. Yes, observe the question and also analyze it. Explain why the triangles are similar. Why the triangles are similar. Yes. And then find the value of x. Observe in these triangles, both triangles are right angled triangle. Why? Because of here angle R equal to angle S equal to 90 degrees. And also angle Q and also angle P is given. The other symbolical forms. So here, two angles are known by using AA similarity. Then both angles are similar to each other. If you know two angles, apply AA or AAA. Why? How we find third angle means by angle sum property. What is angle sum property? In a triangle, the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. If you know two angles, automatically we find third angle also. So, no need to find the third angle, just apply by angle sum property, then third angle also equally used. Yes, observe. First of all, both triangles are similar or not, check it. So, solution given. Solution given, triangles. Right. PQR and triangle PQR and triangle LTS. LTS, right? So observe here, angle R equal to angle S equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Right. Next one. According to symbol, angle Q equal to angle T. Angle Q equal to angle T. Right. By AA criterion. By AA criterion. Okay. Then triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTS. Triangle LTS. We prove by using one criterion. Then both triangles are similar to each other. Then if two triangles are similar, then use the ratio. The sides of a ratio. Here observe. PQ value is given and also corresponding side LT also given. Next QR along with TS. Then PQ by, therefore PQ by LT equal to next QR by TS. How it is equal? Observe, since CPST. So CPST we discussed in 9th class standard, but here CPST. What is CPST abbreviation? Corresponding parts of similar triangles. So here, what is PQ value, students? PQ value is 5. So 5 by, and also LT value, nothing but X equal to, next QR value. QR nothing but 3 and TS nothing but 4.5. So then that implies 3 by 4.5. So cancel with 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. And go for cross multiplication, students. So x1 is x equal to 1.5 into 5. 1.5 into 5. So which implies x equal to finally 5 5 is 25. 0.51 is 5 plus 2, 7.5. So x equal to 7.5 is the final solution, students. So observe it carefully and also practice carefully. Yes, observe students, second model. Right. Explain why both triangles are similar and also find the value of x. So this type of triangle is given. This is second model, students. So first of all, while the solution approaching, first of all divide the diagram carefully. So which are the two triangles observed? So solution given. Do rougher cassette. Two triangles drawn like this. Right. One is RAB. Next, the second one RST. Okay, students. Right. Here, observe. RA value 6. Next, here AS value is 2. But we want total RS. So RS means how much value? 6 plus 2, how much? 8. So RS value becomes 8. Next one, AB value is given. AB value is 9. Next, ST value also given X. Okay, students. We proved first of all both triangles are similar. Right. In both triangles, observe angle R equal to angle R. Every angle is equal to itself. That's why solution given angle R equal to angle R. Since given, simply given. Second one. Here, what the given symbols? AB is parallel to ST. AB is parallel to ST. Observe both angles. This angle and also this angles. So here, one is exterior, another one is interior. Oh, which type of triangles both are? Yes, it is corresponding angles. So, corresponding angles are equal. We proved the theorem in 9th class lines and angles chapter. So here corresponding angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle S. Or we have taken angle RAB equal to angle RST also apply. No problem at all. So here angle RAB equal to angle RST. And next one. And comes to this side also from right side. Left side is completed from right side. Here also both angles are corresponding angles. So angle RBA equal to angle RTS. Since the side corresponding angles are equal, simply corresponding angles right. Here both triangles are, by applying AAA criterion, both triangles are proved similar triangles. Therefore, by AAA criterion, then triangle RAB is similar to triangle RTS. Okay, comes to how to find the x value. Yes, we know very well. So by using CBST, corresponding parts of congruent similar triangles, then RA by RS equal to AB by ST. Therefore, RA by RS equal to AB by ST. Okay, friends. What about RA value? 6. RS value 8. 6 by 8 equal to AB value. AB nothing but 9. ST nothing but X. That is 9 by X. Okay. Observe cancellation, students. First of all, left side. 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. Okay. And comes to numerator aside. 3 1s, 3 3s. So finally, here no value here. X1 is X equal to 4 3 is 12. X equal to 12 is the final solution. Okay, student. I hope all are understood this problem. Okay, let us discuss next problem. So observe this one. So it is also related to second model students, but not third model. Same as it is. There, what they given? Just numericals are given. Here, observe x value given in both triangles in left side also. Observe. First of all, both triangles are similar or not. We check it. Observe here. Angle x equal to angle x. Both triangles are equal. You know very well. So from the figure. Angle x, capital X taken, angle x equal to angle x, already given according to the problem. And second one, here both are parallel, automatically angle z equal to angle A, here also angle y equal to angle B. Both are pairs of corresponding angles. So here, angle A equal to angle z along with angle B equal to angle y. So both are corresponding angles. Okay, students, by here 3 angles are equal by AAA criterion. Then triangle XAB. Triangle XAB is similar to triangle XZY. Okay, students, then we find x value. So same procedure. We know very well. If two triangles are similar to means the ratio of sides are proportional or the ratio of sides are equal. So observe here it is XA by XZ. XA by XZ equal to next one AB by ZY. AB by ZY equal to next one XB by XY. XB by XY. So both are triangles. Similarity means both triangles are in the same ratio. Yes, we have taken. So we know XA value along with XZ value. We know AB value along with ZY value. So no need to take it. So corresponding parts of similar triangles. Therefore, XA by XZ equal to AB by ZY. AB by ZY. Since the side CB EST. CB EST. Next one. Apply the values. XA value is small x. XZ here. So AZ value is 7.5. AX value x. So 7.5 plus x. 7.5 plus x equal to. Next AB value, that is 12 by. So this means automatically ZY value is given, that is 18. That is 18. Go for cross multiplication, students. Or if you take short form also, 6 3 is 18 and again 6 2 is 12. And comes to cross multiplication. 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 7.5, nothing but 15. Okay, plus 2x, transfer left side becomes minus. So 3x minus 2x, it becomes 6. Finally, x equal to 15 is the final solution. Okay, students, this is the way of approachment of a solution. Observe, students, in academic textbook, second exercise 8.2, page number 210. What they given problem, observe carefully. The perimeter of two similar triangles, already given, two triangles are similar, are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. If the one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay, how to approach the solution, observe, students. First of all, according to the problem, what they given, observe. So, two triangles are similar and also both triangles perimeter values are given. So let me consider aside, draw a diagram, just a rough diagram, students. Let me take an ABC and also DEF as usual. ABC, DEF. Okay. So observe here, perimeter of triangle ABC equal to 30 centimeters. Next one, perimeter of triangle DEF equal to 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. And also observe, the side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter. So you know three sides are there in any triangle. So let me take either AB or BC or AC. Anyone take. Okay, AB value is 12 centimeters given. We find the corresponding side of the second triangle. So which is the corresponding side of second triangle? Yes, that is DE is the corresponding side of the second triangle, similar to triangle ABs. Okay, here and also given first condition, observe two similar triangles. So both triangles are similar to each other given according to the problem. So then after that, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Right? Both triangles are similar to each other means two conditions apply. One is both angles are equal, but we find here sides. That means the sides are in the same ratio. Sides are in the same ratio. That means observe AB by DE equal to, next one, BC by EF equal to, next, AC by DF. AC by DF. Okay, students. So the ratio of sides are in the same ratio. Right here, which is equal to. We are taken adding the numerator values, adding the denominator values also. Then AB plus BC plus AC upon next DE plus EF plus DF plus DF. Ratio also equal. Okay, if individual values are ratio is equal, automatically by adding the numerator by and adding the denominator values also equal. We know that AB plus BC plus AC nothing but perimeter of a first triangle, and denominator values observe this is also sum of the sides, that means perimeter of a second triangle. So AB plus BC plus AC nothing but so perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF. Okay, students, observe. So we know that the ratios are equal means any one ratio we have taken here, four ratios are equal. So AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF equal to perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF. If 4 ratios are equal, any 2 ratios also equal, we know very well. So we equating first and last numerator values along with denominator values. That means, observe here, AB by DE equal to, so perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle DEF, right? So AB value is 12, we find the DE value, and perimeter of triangle ABC also given, that is 30. Perimeter of triangle DEF equal to 20. Apply these values in that one, then 12 by DE equal to 30 by 20. 30 by 20. Equal. Simple calculations. Observe, 0 0 get cancelled. So 3 ones, 3 fours, and go for cross multiplication. DE1 is DE equal to, here 2 4 ja 8 centimeters. Therefore DE equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, observe the solution, students, solve it carefully and practice it. I gave homework problems. Yes, observe students, I gave 2 homework problems. First one is, observe, the perimeters of 2 similar triangles are 25 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. If the one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeters, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay, comes to second problem. The perimeters of 2 similar triangles ABC and PQR are respectively 36 centimeters and 24 centimeters. If PQ equal to 10 centimeters, find AB, and practice carefully in running notebook, students. And again, we will discuss again next problem. Very important 4 marks problem of similar triangles chapter. So once refer the previous exam papers, compulsory most probably 90% teachers are given the 4 marks problem of this problem. So carefully what they given, students. So first analyze the diagram. Here 2 triangles are included. Observe here. AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. Perpendicular to BD. AB, PQ and also CD are perpendicular to BD. These 3 sides are perpendicular to BD means automatically all sides are parallel to each other. Okay, next one. And also AB equal to X and CD equal to Y and PQ equal to Z. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Yes, observe students, solution given. Solution given, right? Angle B equal to, angle Q equal to, and also angle D equal to 90 degrees. So according to symbol and also given perpendicular. So here AB, PQ and also CD are perpendicular to BD means, what is the relation among AB, PQ, CD means all are parallel to each other. Then AB is parallel to PQ and also parallel to CD. Okay, first of all I take first part. Here ABD is one right angle triangle and also BDC also taken separately another right angle triangle. Now we have taken, observe here, this triangle separately we have taken BDC. So observe BDC right angle triangle like this. BDC. And also observe PQ here. P and also Q. Okay, right angle D and also angle Q. Is it? Yes. So observe here. Now triangles like this taken, triangles BQP and BQP and next BDC take BDC. Yes, we have taken separately like this. This is the BQP and also next one BDC. Here angle Q equal to angle D, Angle Q equal to angle D. Is it right? Next one. In both angles, angle B equal to angle B. Angle B equal to angle B. So angle B equal to angle B. So already given according to the problem. And also angle Q equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. So by AA criterion, then both angles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. So, observe students, what are given? First, we have taken a separate triangle. If both triangles are included in the triangle, so both are similar or not, first check it. After that, we apply the condition. Here, both triangles are included by using AA criterion. Both are similar to each other. Right, comes to next one. Here, BQ by BD and PQ by CD. Why? Corresponding parts of similar triangles, or both triangles are similar means the ratio is also equal. So comfortably we have taken the ratio of two triangles, two sides only. That is observed BQ by BD. Therefore BQ by BD equal to next one PQ by CD. PQ by CD, which is equation number 1, and comes to second triangle. Right. Shall I clear these students? Observe it. Next, we have taken this triangle aside. Let's observe A, B, so A, B, and also D. So here also PQ is there. Right. Here angle Q 90 degrees, angle B also 90 degrees. We are taken separately also here. So first one is B, okay, Q, P. And comes to the other side. B, B, or D. Here one is. Okay. Now second one. Now triangles. Triangles. Okay, which are triangles? DPQ and DAB. DAB. Same procedure, both are similar or not, check it. So angle Q equal to angle B. Angle Q equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degrees. In both triangles, angle D equal to angle D. So angle D equal to angle D. Therefore, by AA criterion, then triangles. Therefore, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DAB. Yes, we have taken the ratio. DQ by DB. DQ by DB equal to here. DQ by DB equal to PQ by AB. PQ by AB. Yes, which is equation number 2. So observe 1 and also 2. Yes, by adding 1 and 2, we can get the result. Okay, here I use adding equation 1 comma equation 2. Then so observe BQ by BD. So left side value, then left side value also. DQ or QD, anyone is right. QD by BD equal to on right side value PQ by CD. PQ by CD plus there also PQ by AB. PQ by AB. And observe here denominator values are equal. Then add the numerator values. So here BQ plus QD by BD equal to. Here in both numerator values, PQ has common factor PQ of 1 by AB or CD. Anyone taken? 1 by AB plus CD. 1 by AB plus 1 by CD. Okay? So observe here. So BQ plus QD. According to the diagram, observe BQ plus QD nothing but BD. So BD by BD equal to PQ of PQ value how much given? So observe the diagram. PQ value nothing but Z and CD value nothing but Y, AB value nothing but X. So here PQ replaced, we have taken Z of 1 by AB, 1 by, observe the diagram, AB value is X plus and also CD value is Y, 1 by Y. So here BQ plus QD replace BD by BD equal to PQ value Z and AB value X and CD value Y. Apply according to the diagram. Yes, both are cancelled. What you get finally? 1. Okay, here Z is multiplied. A stake in left side automatically it is divisible. So finally 1 by Z equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So hence it is proved. This is the way of approachment, students. So practice carefully. And after completion of this chapter, we conducted examination also.